Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download games from the Microsoft Store. And I will show you today how to do this. So what we need to do is go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Store. Here it is. So click now on Microsoft Store. Then right now you have apps, you have games, you have movies, you have literally everything. But right now when we click here on gaming, you will find the games that you can download. So let's say we want to download Candy Crush. We go here to Candy Crush. And right now we click here on Get. Then we need to log in with our details. And right now we just logged in and now he is downloading Candy Crush. So now we need to wait for a few seconds or maybe minutes. I have no idea what the download speed is, but after this you can play the game, and this is exactly how you can download games in the Microsoft Store. So thanks for watching, have a wonderful day and ciao.